The Smart Points method allows you to make an unlimited number of measurements. The VLSAT powerful processor allows much more accurate results and the highest repeatability of measurements. The Smart Points is recommended to use in the following cases: when aligning shafts installed in sleeve bearings, when aligning large-sized units, when aligning high-speed units, compressors, turbines, etc., as well as guarantees the highest accuracy of results. The measurement procedure is the same for machines with or without spacer or cardan shafts. In this case, the screens during the measurement process will be common to all coupling types. Choose the position of the measuring units convenient for you. They must have the same angle of rotation. Tap the Start icon. Move the measuring units smoothly, stopping in positions convenient for you. To achieve the most accurate result, we recommend that the angle of rotation of the measuring units is 360 degrees, and the number of points is at least 10. Then tap the Stop Measurement icon.